Through this workshop, we're seeing the coronation through a very young generation's eyes, and the answers to this brief that they're giving us are always surprising, quite frankly amazing. We're working on creating visual stories that celebrate the King's coronation.
My group was kind of working on using different hands to create the Union flag. So using like different people, so we have 8 people in total to create it, kind of to show the interconnection of people, and kind of the community side of it as well.
The young people have got their ideas, they're now about to execute them through photography, through copywriting, through typography and graphic design.
This day gives young people like Divine a chance to work alongside creative professionals, visit a creative agency like McCann, and develop their creative skills.
So groups of young people getting together in a workshop like this really gives them an outlet, gives them an opportunity to be creative.
My hope is that it will create unity, it will bring people together, maybe in a way that hasn't been done before. You know, we're working with young people, doing good work with young people, and that can only be for the betterment of young people and adults alike.
Coronation generation means to me new beginnings. It's the first time we're having a coronation in my lifetime. It's just going to be amazing to see a great new experience.